got to do now is obviously the receiver is in the back of this switch, and we've got to activate it so we can pair another light switch, one that doesn't have cables, doesn't have batteries. How does it work then, Dan?
Kinetic energy.
It works on kinetic energy. So we think we press and hold this for 6 seconds.
Yep.
It always seems longer than you think, doesn't it? So we're waiting, we're waiting, we're waiting.
Okay, so if you press your switch now, and again, there you go. So if you do your one, I'll do that one off.
Shut the front door. So we've got two-way switching. We've changed the conventional one-way switch. We've installed a Quinetic switch with a built-in receiver, and now I can screw that to a wall in, say, a kitchen, bedroom, or whatever, and the person's got, within 30 seconds, two-way switching.
Yep.
Is that the future or what? But we might want two-way and intermediate. Are we going to attempt a two-way and intermediate?
Yeah, I think we should.
So one of these switches is also a Quinetic one, yeah?
Yes,
Agreed?
that
Okay,
one.
you do that one then for us, Dan.
Okay.
Will this stay paired?
I'd like to hope so.
There we go. We're going to find out. So when that one comes back on, we know we're in pairing mode. Okay.
Right, so now if I do this, cool.
So yours works.
Yeah.
Is it in shot? So yours works. That one works. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Life is not that simple. So all those times I've got the learners that are out there in the audience doing a one-way job like we've done there, 3 one-way switches, then we do two-way, then we do two-way and intermediate.
Yeah.
We only need to do a one-way switch and introduce other switches.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
It's kind of redundant, really, isn't it?
What, wiring in general? What, electricians? Or just efforts in general is redundant? I think that's amazing. So thank you very much to Nicola from TLC and effectively Quinetic who sent us in those. And there'll be some more videos coming up with Gary going, this is amazing, this is amazing. Oh.